in this video, changing the air filter on a BMW X5. Let's go. Let's start by removing the snorkel right here. There's really nothing holding the snorkel in here except just like clips being attached to the body of the car. For this step, you don't need any tools. Just kind of pull. And it'll decouple. There is a clip here, clips on the sides, clip here. Next, remove the T25s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These will not come all the way out. They stay with the box or with the lid of your air box here. You don't have to worry about losing them. Next, reach all the way to this clamp and loosen it. Should be a standard flathead. That should be good enough. Now simply lift up and release this part. Comes out just like that. And there you have your air filter. Make sure that this is coupled to this piece right here properly. That you sit it there first, that you insert it properly, and then make sure that this sits all the way level, flush, and it doesn't pinch the air filter in any shape, way, or form. I'll tighten this first, just to make sure that I have this piece seated properly and it's not going to somehow be crooked or anything like that. And then I will do the rest of these T25s. Don't use your drill at the highest setting. You can crack the plastic. Okay, it's not gonna go anywhere. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, consider subscribing. Until next time, I will see you on the next video.